footings loaded up. At the S footing, it is raining, which really sucks because I washed and cleaned the car as much as I could and it's raining. Hopefully this weather is not the same in Sebring because the pits are grass. We'll see, but this is the craziest weather I've ever seen on a track day. This is wild. This dude has no headlights. It's daytime, but dang. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Oh my God. Dude, these pits are the worst. I feel like I'm off-roading. Look at it. We're shaking around right now. God. Just did tech and the car's ready to go. I put fuel in it and stuff. There's open track and then B class, which I'm in B class just because it's back to back. I thought that'd be good. I'm just gonna run on the old grams, and then when the grams are done, I'll put on the DNAs. These are fresh. These are from OSW, and the weather is, I don't think we're gonna wear the tires too much. These are almost done. I'm not able to heat cycle. I don't think they're chunking just yet.
The car feels all right, but definitely need to dial in the front a little bit more, maybe in alignment. And it's hitting that sway bar pretty good. Right here. Our DNAs are on.
I'll just drive straight through and wait for you.
done. Good driving for today. Really starting to wear the fronts. Alright, saying bye to Sebring. I met some guys from Instagram. Met some cool people that live up here, talked to some people. This is my first event by myself. I always have my friends with me that are driving or just tagging along, so my first solo event, and it wasn't that bad. Headed back to the shop. By the way, I paid $17 for 2 chicken tacos. RIP. Like, that's crazy. A big fear I had was that I wasn't going to get seat time because it was going to be jam-packed and crowded. And there are a lot of drivers, but for some reason, the wait to get back on and just lap wasn't bad at all. So if it was a little bit more technical, I think I would have really enjoyed it. But it was fun. I had a lot of fun.
And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time.
Put the trailer away. Give you the rundown. Don't mind this homemade turban from my balaclava. S14 looks actually pretty good with these wheels. I like them. The only thing is these are so freaking heavy compared to the Gram lights. And you guys know I like light wheels. I missed the RPF ones because these are super heavy. Those are lighter, and the RPF ones are the lightest. And the light wheels just make it easier to take on and off, and obviously, lightweight wheels, a little bit of an advantage versus a heavy wheel. Referring back to the tandem, I was in line. You put up a finger, how many drivers are going out? 1 driver, 2 driver, 3 driver, 4 driver, 5, whatever. So I tell the guy, he goes 1 to me, I say 1, looks at the guy next to me, he goes, guy next to me goes like this. This is what the guy next to me looked like. Obviously, he didn't look exactly like that, but that course was decent. It was a little bit easier, which I wasn't a fan of. I liked the more technical layout. This one was kind of like, It was good if I had friends to tandem with, because then I could practice and get better at tandem driving, but solo driving, that layout was kind of a little bit boring for me. And I'm not saying like I'm super good, I'm too good for the layout. I'm just saying that it wasn't challenging me. It was kind of like, it just felt really easy, and that kind of like made me not want to really like drive as much. So I was trying my best to just give ride-alongs, be exciting, just have fun, just flick it hard, and just push the car. Yeah, there's no outro. There's no outro. I went home. I fell asleep on the floor in my jeans and everything. And I woke up at 6 in the morning, and I guess I'll just see you guys next week,